Hey YouTube, I got Genlock unboxing for you. My first video on YouTube, so don't go too harsh on the comments. I already opened this 2 different times. Let's get to it. Right off the bat, there's no receipt. Just loaded. Some shooters. Semi extra. Got 2 pieces of hard mesh. I got Carolina blue and white hard mesh. Carolina blue sidewalk spool. There's only small orders, so send me a bunch of stickers. I got red, green, blue, white, blue, black, green, red, silver, gray, and gray. Got 1, 2, 3, 6. I got 8 of these. So yeah, now let's move on to the shooters. Gave me 1 white, didn't order that. They gave me 3 tricolored, neon blue, black, and white. Gave me 3 of those. I ordered 4 Carolina blue. Give me an extra one. I ordered 4 neon blues. Gave me an extra. And then they gave me these tricolored Carolina blue, black, and white. Gave me 3 of those. And that's my Genlock unboxing. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.